I wasn't sure if I would be able to film a Tiny Tidy Tuesday for you this week. If you haven't been following me recently, my mom was in the hospital for a few days giving us a scare. So lately, my caregiving duties has elevated, and my role and the added worrying has got me sort of exhausted lately. I haven't really had the extra time to clean, declutter, film, nor edit as usual, and that's okay. I'm resting when I feel I need to, and I do what I can in between. For my own peace and comfort, I've been getting up super early just to be. Sometimes I even go back to bed, but today I want to change that. I know I have my house routine I need to get back to, a garden that needs my attending to, and a busy caregiving week with my mom, aka Queen G, that I need to desperately plan our days carefully. Calgon, take me away. Do you remember that commercial from the 80s? Let me know in the comments. Welcome back to a Tiny Tidy Tuesday, a part of an open collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. You want to check out the playlist as our Tiny Tidy team has grown. A lot of new channels to check out and a lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. If you'd like to join the open collab, make sure to contact Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. If you are doing a Tiny Tidy this week, let us know what you're tidying today in the comments below. Sunday, I had already changed our bed linen. I'm hoping that I can give our master bedroom and bathroom a good clean this week. Remind me to put that down in my planner later. My sister visited over the weekend to be with her mom, so I quickly cleaned the guest room, luckily. But let's face it, the whole house needs to be dusted, vacuumed, and cleaned. But not today. Little by little, I hope to get it all done by the end of the week. I'm giving myself some grace. Grabbing my water and glasses, and we're moving on into my office. Well, here's something for you. We have a choice. We can shut down or we can restart. I think I've been shut down for a couple of weeks now, if you know me. Today, I'm opening up my laptop and choose to restart. We all have those days and moments in life that it's good to shut down, take a break, and rest. Then we can re-energize to restart. I'm clicking on restart. I really need to tidy up my laptop's desktop by cleaning up the space and memory storage, transferring files over to my external hard drive, and deleting or decluttering, as some would refer it as to. This takes time, and as a YouTuber, it's a weekly tidy, so why not include it in today's Tiny Tidy? As I said earlier this morning, I desperately need to plan this week carefully, according to my mom's care and her upcoming procedures. I finally returned back to my planner. It feels great. You might already saw a peek of this on my Instagram. You can follow me here. Now, next on the list is to the garden. Let's go. Alright, it's time for me to take the time and do some of my chores, cut back some of the tomato plants. I'm going to fertilize them one more time. Hopefully I can get a harvest. I also want to go around and kind of trim and, you know, just try to do what I can to clean up. I need to get rid of some of these down below the growing table. The irrigation system started, but I had to turn it off. I need to de-weed, just kind of do those kind of things at the end of, well, it's actually fall, but we live here in California and we're going to expect about 86 to 90 degrees today. So I know that these guys are going to start flowering again. Might get one more thing of harvest because I do have some flowers. Even for the cucumbers here. But look. So I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna clean up and then give it a little bit more of the nitrogen that it needs and fertilizer. It's gonna be a gorgeous day today. I already attended to Queen G. Look at that. It's October and I'm getting more strawberries, which is awesome. But as soon as I clean everything up, it's just gonna produce more. So that's what I want. One more. Come on, Dee's garden. Just kidding. I just started. Then I took a break. So I wanted to get some breakfast and then finish my laundry. But I'm making progress. Oh look, one of the kitties must be playing. Definitely making progress though. I now to get the bin and get going. Listening to Queen G out here. It's still pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous morning. It's about 9 o'clock right now. So I have about maybe half an hour until Queen G, I hear a plane, until Queen G actually wants to get up. She's kind of sleeping in, which is fine. Alright, everything is all swept, put away, trimmed. I even rinsed out the bowl here, and I had a hummingbird for the first time in my little DIY fountain. Yeah, it trimmed everything, it cleaned everything. Everything is all put away now. I have my bin all full. Feels great. Watered. Check, check, check. And I was just joking around with the tiny tidy team. I said, darn it, I should have filmed me doing this. It could have been a tiny tidy. I don't know. Darn. Oh, and then I also got to water. I watered everything. We're ready for a hot one today.